All right, so we got our final. In the last video, I showed you how to stack things if you want to stack it. I'm going to continue drawing. I might describe what I'm doing, I might not. I'm just recording so you can see what I'm doing. I'm actually going to get you closer to the paper so you can see what I'm doing, so you won't see the whole thing. So my vanishing point is literally just right there off the paper. I'm going to work in this section first. I actually need to move that off a little. There you go. Oh, put another building here. Yeah, I like that. Then make it that wide. I'm going to go ahead and erase this because I don't need it. In all honesty, I'm not going to need this either, but you can wait till you draw your line if you want. Oops. So for this, I have to pretend like maybe I stop my building here, then line up, because that'll help get that correct. So even if you go off the table, if you are going to see this part of the building, you're going to need to make sure that you indicate kind of where it is so you have something to lead to. Okay. So I don't like that this area is kind of just blank. So we're going to come in a little ways away, do that, do this. To kind of indicate there's another building next to it. We wouldn't see the bottom of this building because it technically ends here below that, and anything that we would see would be hidden behind that building. All right, so I'm going to start working on this vicinity right here. I'm coming back and I'm starting at this corner from the road, lining up my ruler. I'm going to make this one super tall because I can. So this is where this starts to differ. This one, it's going to lead downwards, and I want it to be that wide. Then from there to that. The reason this happens is because it's the top of the building, just like this. These are below the horizon line, so they go up. This is above the horizon line, so it goes down. And just like everything else, the top, oh, you cannot see. The top of this building where these two lines meet, you will line up with the side of the paper, draw it out. You want to make sure that you're turning your paper to work with you. I'm not turning mine as much as I normally would so that I'm not confusing you as much. I'm going to do this. I'm really happy that this is not meeting up with the corner of this. I will not see the other part of that building, so I leave it alone and I erase this part. I'm going to come in. I'm going to leave a little bit of space here. I'm going to make this building like that. Line it up with my vanishing point. Draw it to there. I already know I'm not going to see this. Just like earlier, line up with the edge of the paper. This would be where you probably turn your paper for you. Actually, I have a big blank spot, so I'm going to come in and draw another building down here. I'm going to make this building to right there. Please remember I'm doing this fast because I'm used to doing it. You should take your time. So if you notice, I lose a lot of that road. I basically have here and then these really light lines right here for that road. And that's okay. I could put another building here, but I'm going to pretend that the building next, you know what? I'm not going to pretend. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to come here, draw a little line. Still, it matters even though it's this tiny. I'm going to pretend it and say here. Nope. Let's see. I want it to end this building. So actually we don't see that a little bit. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that off because I want to see a little bit of building. Or a little bit of road. My bad. I didn't like that. The bell just rang. I gotta go. So I will continue from there next time.